In the morning, I made the major mistake of assuming Caleb and Dino could get ready in less than 2 hours. After finally departing from the hotel, we drove on the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail to get to a trailhead to some waterfalls. After completing the hike and Motor Nature Trail, we stopped at the Newfound Gap where we climbed a wall and I added the state of North Carolina to my list of visited places. We were going to hike to Chimney Tops, but that was closed due to recent fires. When we left Newfound Gap, about 10 Miatas pulled out in front of us, which was pretty cool, especially since everybody got out of their way. We then climbed Clingmans Dome where it was very cloudy and stopped at a scenic overlook to eat lunch. Unfortunately, it started to rain, so we decided to go back to Gatlinburg, which has a Space Needle. After that, Caleb and Dino displayed their lack of statistical literacy by squandering an obscene amount of cash on a claw machine I insisted was rigged.
Alright, so Drew, the optimal thing would be if you can get the long part of the box between the two claws. That's it. Oh, shoot, we almost won. Alright, I'm going for that one, Drew. Thank you. Alright, Drew, I won. Oh, Drew. Drew, he's gonna get two. Oh, Drew, I almost got two. Come on. Oh, dude, you missed. You didn't get it. How's that? Solo. Oh, Drew.
Oh, babe. Oh, it's right on me. Are you kidding?
Fell over it. How much do I have left? Oh, I totally missed. It's not.
I'm running out of time. Is that it? Not even close. Oh. He twisted away from it.
Alright, Drew, I got it. I won. I win, Drew.
Oh. It's a game over. We won. PS4 coming home with me.
How do you feel, Dino?
Terrible. This game's a piece of garbage.
After Googling it and learning that claw machines are actually rigged, just like I said the whole time, I went in the Space Needle again since you get a second trip up at night. We then went swimming in our hotel's pool, and Caleb had the brilliant idea to sneak into as many hotel pools as possible. Being the rule follower that I am, I decided not to participate in this activity. However, Dino decided differently.
The gate's probably... Right, it's right here. There's the lock. Oh, there's a key thing underneath. Right here. Okay, go.
By the end of the night, Caleb and Dino were able to successfully sneak into 7 hotel pools without getting caught. Stay tuned for the next video where we climb Mount LeConte, get lost on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and set up some hammocks in the dark.